In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Messenger floating video call not working. Let's get started. First, you'll need to check chat heads and overlay permissions. On your Android device, open settings, navigate to the option apps, then Messenger, then enable for the option appear on top or toggle on for the option chat heads. In the iPhone device, launch your settings, navigate to the option general, click on the option picture in picture and make sure it is enabled. Next up, update your Messenger. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Then search for the app Messenger. After app appears, if you find the option of update, you'll need to click on that option and update your Messenger to its latest version. Next up, give a fresh restart to your device. This might also resolve the issue. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Messenger from your device. So press and hold on the Messenger app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Messenger and then install it. And that's it. That's how you fix Messenger floating video call not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.